don't want to blow me water on other things. You get some hair too. What a mess. OZZ got his gun. Man, the dick's not long enough. Getting some of that in your ear, Oz? God, imagine getting hit right in the face with that. Clean that shit up, you won't buy his man electrocute himself. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to change the taskmaster. She's a Nazi. You just don't understand. Hey, don't be trying to smack OZZ's gun. A rubber chicken on stage. Did you see it? Look at a fucking rubber chicken. Did he just grab his hair? You're welcome.